Hi, my name is Patrick and that's my very first video. Today I'm gonna tell you something about myself and about my company. When I was a kid, I was always outside. Even my mother always forced me to go outside to meet my pals, to play games like hide and seek, treasure hunt, ball games like soccer, football, baseball. We even made incredible stunts with our bicycle. Whenever we were able to, we went outside. Weather was never an excuse. When I'm outside, I'm not just there, I'm in there. I love the sound of the birds, to love the sound of the wind in the trees, or simply just watching the clouds passing over the sky. I really see the beauty in nature that way, and with this mindset I have tailored my company called PataBee. PataBee originally started by producing beeswax wraps. Beeswax wraps are a natural, sustainable, reusable and biodegradable alternative to plastic and aluminum wraps. But it's just the start. We are right now add more products to our product line, which are very useful and help people to go in a more sustainable life. We have also released an ebook written by Elizabeth Waddington. She is super fit in permaculture gardening. She wrote a book for us with easy tips and tricks which are even more easy to implement or adopt into your daily life to get a more sustainable daily life. PataBee is not a company just to design, create, produce and sell ordinary products. PataBee is way more than this. PataBee is an idea. And I myself am very romantic about this. I do even call this like Michael Jackson's legacy when he told us to heal the world, to make the world a better place. That's really my goal, but to reach this goal I need you. If you liked the video, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. If you want to have more information about a more sustainable life, feel free to follow this channel on YouTube. And for way more information, you will find a link down in this description. Sign up for our email list. You will get more information about more sustainable life, our ebook with easy to implement tips and tricks to your daily life. And of course, we send you some promotional codes when new products from us goes live on the market. Thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful life. Goodbye.